Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Tech PBA. So today we are going to look at how to set a personal or a permanent password in TeamViewer. So if you are somebody that manages computers on a particular system or network, if you have a particular computer or system that you usually connect to from a remote location, you would through or using TeamViewer, you would want to put a personal password in TeamViewer or a permanent password in TeamViewer so that you can use that password to connect to that system every time and any time you want to connect, or you would want to connect to that system or to that computer. Why do I say that? Because usually when you go into TeamViewer, it gives you random passwords. So if we quickly open TeamViewer and look at it, so you can see your ID over there, which is permanent. From the very start, you installed TeamViewer, that ID is given to you, and then also you have your password, which is the random password. It changes every now and then. Yeah, so that's the random password. So if you can reset it by clicking on that reset button, or to create a new random password. As I click on it, it changes the password. So these are random. It changes every now and then. So yeah, so when you mouse on it, it says create a new random password. So what we are going to do is to put a personal password or a permanent password in this TeamViewer, so that every time we want to connect, we can use that particular password to connect to the system. So the first thing we're going to do is to click on the menu bar, mouse over extras, and then click on options. When the options window opens, you would want to go to the advanced tab. Then in the advanced tab, you click on show advanced options. The advanced options, you want to scroll down or drag the scroll button or scroll bar to where the personal password section is. So this is where you put your personal password or a permanent password. You enter it and then you confirm it, and then afterwards you can just click OK to save your settings. So I'll enter mine very quickly in the password box. I'll confirm it very quickly. Then from here, I will click on the OK button to save the settings. So now every time I want to connect to this system, I will just enter my ID, and then I will enter the password that I just put or I just set in this TeamViewer. And then I will be able to connect to this system or to this computer. So guys, thank you for watching. This was a short video tutorial on how to set a personal password or a temporary password or permanent password, sorry, in your TeamViewer. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my channel Tech PBA for more of such videos. Thank you. See you in another video. Bye.